Hi sir, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Alright sir, can you tell us about yourself?
My name is Subash Sharma. I am from Tikapur, Kailali, but I currently live in Lalitpur, Imadol. I am 23 years old. I complete my plus 2 from Kharga Memorial, which is located in Tikapur, Kailali. I have 6 members in my family. I have an work experience as a cleaner from Siddharth Hotel, which is located in Tikapur for 2 years.
Okay, so you are a cleaner, you have experience 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright sir, then tell me which surface do you use to clean there as a cleaner?
Cleaner
Your
responsibility.
responsibilities, yeah.
Clean the guest room and bathroom, removing and replacing used towels, sweeping and cleaning floors, making laundry, remove all garbage,
Very
clean
nice.
the wash. That's it.
Alright, so you are ready to cleaning up outside and the inside, both sides?
Both sides. Inside.
So you have to cleaning up sometimes, swimming pool, garden areas, parking areas, maybe underground areas. It is okay for you?
Okay, ma'am.
So you do have a knowledge about the chemical that used for the cleaning, sir?
Yes.
Alright. Then tell me, why do you like to go for Romania, sir?
Because to earn money for my bright future, and to secure my family condition and to support my
Okay.
family.
Very nice, sir. So you drink, you smoke,
No,
you have already friends there?
no, ma'am.
Your religion?
Hindu.
If you selected, sir, for how many years would you like to stay there?
At least 4 years.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
All the best.